It turns out that kefir, that tangy, fermented milk drink your health nut friend keeps raving about, may be sitting on a scientific goldmine, one that doesn't just benefit your gut flora, but could also help heal your wounds faster than you can say, probiotic powerhouse. Welcome to the unexpected world of kefir-derived nanovesicles, a mouthful of a phrase that's about to become a darling in regenerative medicine. These are not your average dairy byproducts. They're microscopic bubbles of bioactive brilliance with a talent for tissue repair that's making scientists blink twice and ask, "Wait, from kefir?" Here's what's wild. As kefir ferments, its bacterial and yeast cultures don't just break down lactose into tangy goodness, they also release extracellular vesicles, which are tiny lipid-bound packages loaded with proteins, RNAs, and other molecules. Think of them as nano-sized care packages sent from the microbes, filled with regenerative goodies. And unlike regular cell secretions that go unnoticed, these nanovesicles are like backstage VIPs. They're small enough to sneak through biological barriers, but packed with instructions that tell damaged tissue how to pull itself together again. In lab studies, these kefir-borne nanovesicles have shown a knack for promoting faster epithelial closure, the fancy way of saying they help skin knit itself back together after injury. They also appear to calm the chaotic immune response that often delays healing, acting like tiny peacekeepers who tell overreacting immune cells to take a breath and let the regeneration crew do its thing. This dual action, accelerating repair while keeping inflammation in check, is the holy grail of wound care, especially in cases like burns, trauma, or chronic ulcers where healing is notoriously slow and unpredictable. It's kind of hilarious when you think about it. While billion-dollar biotech companies race to design synthetic wound healing agents, kefir is sitting there in your fridge, casually generating nanoscopic therapeutic vesicles like it's no big deal. Nature's multitasker, fermented milk may one day help doctors treat complex wounds more efficiently, not just by soaking the area in antiseptic or slapping on a bandage, but by delivering bioengineered nanobubbles brewed straight from a probiotic smoothie. What makes this even more exciting is how non-toxic and biocompatible these vesicles appear to be. They're derived from natural fermentation, so the body is less likely to freak out about them being introduced into a wound environment. No harsh chemicals, no synthetic polymers, just tiny envelopes of molecular instructions wrapped in lipid layers, whispering to your skin cells, regenerate, hydrate, close-up shop. Of course, we're not yet at the stage of squirting kefir onto wounds like some kind of DIY skin elixir. The nanovesicles need to be carefully extracted and purified before they can do their medical magic. But with the rise of biocompatible delivery systems and interest in natural therapeutics, it's likely just a matter of time before you see kefir-derived vesicles on the label of next-gen wound dressings or topical sprays. In a way, it's poetic justice. Kefir has been healing guts for centuries, quietly, reliably, fermentally. Now it's stepping out of the digestive tract and into the realm of skin regeneration, armed with microscopic vesicles that look more like something out of sci-fi than a dairy product. If yogurt is the gut's therapist, kefir might just be the skin's emergency medic, carrying microscopic repair kits crafted by microbial artisans. And let's be honest, any healing agent that comes with a side of fermented charm deserves a little more attention.